Hi, I'm Karen Harris. I'm so excited for you to learn how to use SRSD in your classroom because we have 35 years worth of research showing that your students will become better, happier, more self-efficacious writers, and they will enjoy writing. They will find voice, they will find passion and motivation for writing, and they will produce text that they are proud of. Taking this course on SRSD is going to help you develop a wealth of genre knowledge, a wealth of knowledge about the characteristics of effective writing across genres, and it will put you in a much more powerful position as a writing teacher.
Writing to Learn is your K-12 teacher's training and implementation guide using the self-regulated strategy development method. SRSD is the #1 writing process for all levels of teaching and intervention. In just 12 hours, you will thoroughly understand how to motivate your students, build confidence, and teach strategies for effective writing following Karen Harris's 6 stages of learning, including the importance of introducing students to the genre, discussing examples of good and bad writing, why to always model first, developing positive self-talk, how memorizing strategies helps with self-regulation, supporting collaborative writing, self-scoring, and graphing, and the gradual release of instruction for true independence. This step-by-step guide will not only help students progress towards self-regulation, independence, and mastery of writing, but mastery of learning as well. Each stage begins with an introduction video, followed by tasks that accomplish the goals for that particular stage. You will also find expert advice videos from the researchers. And at the end of each section, you'll find a quiz to test your new skills. Now let's take a quick look at one of the most important elements, the toolbar. The toolbar is the complete depository for your tools, lesson plans, and source files. Writing to Learn comes complete with hundreds of research-proven tools and lesson plans for students and educators. Tools that are appropriate for all K-12 skill levels, from general ed to intervention, including graphic organizers that help students organize their thoughts, scoring rubrics to help them evaluate essays and score their own work, goal-setting checklists, self-talk statements to motivate, graphs to chart progress, teacher materials, sample essays, fidelity checklists, lesson plans, and more. After mastery, Writing to Learn makes it even easier to teach successive genres, from opinion to informative, narrative, and persuasive or argument. Writing to Learn is your teaching guide, and you may return at any time to review a task before teaching. It is also easy to navigate to the appropriate modules. But if you need assistance, we are always here 365 days a year.
Thank you for taking this class. Thank you for all that you do for your students. And thank you for improving writing instruction in our schools today.